Good morning and welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. Today we will try to see how to make the payment for the partly paid shares of Arvind Fashion through RWAP, which is Registra's web application portal, which is an online mode of payment to convert our partly paid shares of Arvind Fashion into fully paid. Before we proceed any further, if you find our videos useful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Before we go in and see how to do the online payment, a quick recap of the partly paid shares details. Arvind Fashion has made a first and final call of rupees 65 per share to convert the partly paid share into a fully paid share. The partly paid share is already suspended in the stock exchange from April 19th. So when is the date? May 10th is the opening date for making the payment. May 24 is the last date. Cash payment is not allowed. Part payment is also not allowed. If there is any delay, the company is planning to levy a 10% interest per annum. So, what are the modes of payment? We have the ASBA, which is the net banking, online net banking, where we make the payment similar to the IPO. So, that is the online ASBA, or the physical ASBA, where we personally go to the banks, we download an application form, fill the application form, go to the bank personally, and do the payment. Third is through brokers who are having a 3-in-1 account. What are the 3-in-1 account? Trading, demat and bank account. If your broker has that, you can do it through your broker. You have to check it with your broker. The fourth method is the check and DD, which is little bit cumbersome and little bit more rules there. So you have to download a payment slip, fill the payment slip. We had seen details on check and DD payment in another video. The link of that video is in the description of this video. If you want to do it through check or DD, kindly watch that video. And the last mode of payment is the RWAP, which is an online payment mode. Registra's web application portal. The registrar for this company is linkintime.co.in. Okay, before we make the payments, there are few things that we have to keep in our mind. Cash payment is not allowed, no part payment is allowed, and when we do it online, we should be doing it from our bank account and not from someone else's bank account. That is called the third party bank account, that is liable to get rejected. Okay, the check and DD I will skip for now because there is another video. The link of that video is in the description of this video. Kindly watch that if you prefer check or DD mode of payment. We will quickly go into the RWAP mode of payment, how we can do it. So quickly, who can do this RWAP mode of payment, which is Registra's web application portal? Only resident shareholders can do the payment through this mode. If you are a non-resident shareholder, you cannot use this mode of payment. Before we see how to make the actual payment through RWAP, few things that you need to have is a net banking or a UPI facility under your name. Don't use third party or someone else's bank account, that is liable to get rejected, and no part payment and no cash payment. One thing that you have to ensure is if you are making the payment through RWAP, ensure that you get the acknowledgement after you make the payment. Any issues, any queries that you have, you can always reach out to the registrar. The registrar's contact details are also provided in the description of this video. Okay, let us now see how to make the online payment through RWAP. The link is provided at the top. This link is also provided in the description of this video. You may kindly use it. So once we go to that link, that is the registrar's website, which is the web application portal to make our payment. So once we go there, we have to select the Arvind Fashion Limited Call Money 2021 from the drop down, and then we have to enter our details like DP client ID, PAN number. Only resident Indian can use this mode of payment, mobile number and email ID, and then click the continue button. Once we provide all these details and click the continue button, the next section is the investment details. Here we may get our details auto populated, something like shareholder name, how many shares we had as on record date, how many shares we are entitled, and now we have to enter how many shares we are going to apply for. So enter those numbers. The application amount gets filled automatically after you click the continue button. So once you click the continue button, the third section is the bank details, the payment details. Either we can go, you do it through the net banking or do it through the UPI. So choose the method that you prefer, but ensure that those accounts are in your name. And again, the details of the bank and all those things we have to enter: account type, the account holder, the bank account number. Again, you have to retype it. One important thing that they have mentioned here is the bank account that you enter here should be linked to your demat account, or you should be the first holder of this bank account. If in case you are not the first holder, or if this bank account is not linked with your demat account, then you have to upload a cancelled check leaf. The check leaf should have your name in it along with the same bank account details. Once you complete the payment section, the last section is to ensure that we read all the disclaimers that the website has put, and then make our acceptance if you're okay with the disclaimers, and then click the make payment button. So as per your choice, whether you have chosen net banking or you have chosen the UPI method, you have to make the payment. And once you make the payment, we will get something like an acknowledgement here, which has a order number, transaction number, how much amount is paid, whether the transaction is success or failure, and how did you make the payment, whether it is net banking or through the UPI. This seems to be a simple and a less cumbersome way of making the payment online, at least at this point of time when we are affected with the pandemic. So please check if this is okay for you. If you have any queries, let me know. I will try to answer, or you can always reach out to the registrar, get it clarified, and then go and proceed with your payment. If you liked our videos, kindly support us, hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thank you.